Hi, this is Bradley with Watson Estates, and let me welcome you to 8 Tweedsmuir. This 4-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom home sits in one of Brampton's most prestigious communities. Located near Conservation and Kennedy, we find ourselves in a beautiful Tudor-style home on this quiet cul-de-sac. Let me show you around. This home is close to all amenities, including parks, public transit, and one of Peel's best public schools, Somerset. Before you enter the home, you'll see this beautiful foyer. On a nice day, you can sit in the northeast-facing family room. Perfect for entertaining is this open concept kitchen and living room. Kitchen also features beautiful moldings and an eat-in kitchen. The living room features a gas fireplace that was custom built and walks out to a totally finished private backyard with patio stones that were laid just last year. This lot is completely private, and the double oversized garage enters both into the home and into the backyard. This home also includes an owned water softener and purifier. Roof and insulation were both done in the last 2 years. On the main floor, you'll also find a powder room for guests and laundry to make it easier when you're doing those chores. The master bedroom features a walk-in closet and a beautifully recently completed bathroom. For additional living space, the basement has also been finished for your enjoyment. Thank you for joining us. If you have any questions or like more information, contact me at 647-206-9554. Take care.